Hey, Katrina here from Scrappy Horses. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is just a quick video on this festive box that is inspired by the challenge at Path of Positivity, where we are creating something inspired by music. And I've chosen Christmas music. And you know what? This could either be Jingle Bells, because you see the Jingle Bells, or it could be Sleigh Ride. Either piece. In fact, it could go along with several Christmas pieces, I'm sure. As you saw, I had some festive ribbon there, as well as some twine that I'll be using. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come in and I'm going to just deepen up the fold lines that the Cricut put in. I just want to deepen those up because these folds on the top part of this are tricky. What I'm doing here is some of these folds are diagonal folds. So I've gotten out a foam mat and I'm just going through and deepening those up, lining those lines up with my ruler and just going alongside. All right, so I'm folding over and getting a nice crisp fold on my four folds that create the box. Then I'm going to go in and add a little bit of double score tape to that one side that I'm going to need to glue together. I'm going to put a little fabric tack over it. That will give me wiggle room so that I can move things around if I need to. Now, this box size is wonderful for lotions or hand creams, bubble bath, those kinds of gifts. You could also stick a pair of socks in there. There are several things that you could put in here. If you are interested in making a homemade bow, I have a video where I actually make the bow on camera, and this is the link to that video. When you go there, if all you want to see is the bow making, I actually have it in the description on that video, exactly where that bow making takes place. So you can check out the video there. I use a really cool homemade board that you might be interested in seeing. All right, back to this. Here's the bow that I made. I always tie them off with fishing line. I like fishing line. It holds and it's inexpensive, and one reel lasts you for your almost entire crafting life, unless you do a lot of wreath making, which I love it for that because it holds heavy ornaments on your wreath really well. Okay, so we're putting together this tag, and I put this together in Cricut Design Space. Simple little ornament shaped tag where I put my little Sleigh Ride digi on there, and now I'm going to come in and put some fun, sparkly little gems into place, so it kind of gives it a little more fun and frivolity for the holidays, right? A little sparkle. So I'm just adding 3 little itty bitty tiny ones there where the holly is, and then I added a big gem in the front. So I'll come in now and I'm going to go ahead and tie up the top of this. I've already tied my twine around, and I have tied my tag around there, and now I'm just coming in with my bow where I left plenty of fishing line after tying the Jingle Bells onto the bow. I have enough left to just tie it on around the top of this box. All that's left now is tying the Jingle Bells. I'm just going to tie one to the ends or the tails of these little pieces of twine, and then we are done. We are ready. So come join us at Path of Positivity, and anything that is inspired by a song, actually where anything goes. So there you go. Anything you want to share that is positive, we'd love to see it. Thanks for joining me in this quick video today. Hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll catch up with you in the next video. Bye.